Good morning, my dears. Today we want to discuss about the problems on quarter joints and shaft, design of the shaft problems. So while going to solve the today problems, I want to know what the things which we are discussed in the last class. May I know anybody? Please come on.
In the last class, we have discussed about what is couplings and the type of couplings. First of all, what is couplings? The connection of two objects is known as coupling. It's basically, and when it comes to DME, design of machines, the coupling is used in the shafts. The connection of two shafts are known as couplings. The object we use this coupling, and there are three types of coupling. Those are rigid, muff, and split muff. The rigid coupling, it's a general purpose coupling which is normally used, and it is used between two to connect the two cells as already we discussed, and it is used to transmit the power from one place to one shaft to another. It's a general purpose, and the rigid coupling does not allow the misalignment, so it cannot be used in higher load applications like this. And the second is muff coupling. Muff coupling is also known as sleeve coupling. It is used where the rigid coupling, it's also a type of rigid coupling where the rigid coupling cannot be used. Likewise, where the misalignment occurs, the muff coupling is used to prevent those things. And it's also used to transmit power. And the third type is split muff coupling. It is used as the coupling is two parts, and it was joined in the surface of the coupling. The bolts are used to join those split muff coupling. It's used, and in where the shaft is very long and the high load is applied. Likewise, in these cases, the split muff coupling is used.
Very good. He said last one topic, split muff couplings. What is this other name of the split muff coupling?
Clamp.
Exactly, glam couplings. So in the three types of couplings we solved many problems. Any other topics which we have studied in the last class? May I know? Yeah, Sachin.
So in last class we also seen about three relations. One is Soderberg, Goodman and Gerberg relations. What is Soderberg? The Soderberg is used, these relations used for design purpose. Okay, the first one is Soderberg. The Soderberg purpose is for high safety and accuracy, and then the Goodman relation is used for moderate and for economy, and the German is used for moderate and economy. Okay, so these are the three relations. The applications are for Soderberg is to design a bridge or bending, bridges, and then for some roads, etc., highways, it is used for high safety. I told for high safety the relation is used. Next is Goodman. The Goodman applications are to design gears, shafts, and for crankshaft, cranking rods, etc., for moderate accuracy and economy. And for Goodman applications are for automotive parts like gears, engines, and crankshaft. Also, it is using the railway tracks and crane hooks. For it is usually the Goodman relation is used for design those applications. And the connection between them are it both connecting in mathematical connections, like it is used tensile stress, and one is used ultimate tensile stress, and one it uses some parabolic stress. So these are the main connection between these three relations. So
thank you. May I know any other topics which we have studied in the last class? Yeah.
As Dakshin and Mahesh said, previous classes we have seen about coupling and then the relations, three relations, main relations. While at the same time also the next topic which we have seen is joints. In previous semesters we have seen butt joint, lap joint and all. In our WP workshop lab we have done a practical thing that we have done in practically in our hands. So the welding we have done that. And likewise in engineering field, as we are an engineers, we are using some mechanical components likewise. In automobile engineering also we are using something. So there we are using mainly two joints we have seen. That are, one is knuckle joint and another one is quarter joint. While coming to a quarter joint is connecting two rods that are coaxially connected, in which there will be maximum an axial load is acting in it. Quarter joint is maximally used in where we use an axial load. Likewise, quarter joint has three main parts. One is male end and female end. And the next one is a quarter. We use two rods. One is male and second one is female. To connect both them, we use a quarter. Quarter is the thing which connects two different components. And then where majorly quarter joint is used, we see means quarter joint is maximally used in piston connecting rods to the crankshafts like that and all. And then the quarter joint is also used in pump rods in to reciprocating motions. And then the next we are going to see about a knuckle joint. Knuckle joint is also used in many agricultural fields. Thank you.
Thank you for the recapping the things in the previous class. Thank you.